The Blueprint Engineering Kit is designed to make engineering and CTE pathways approachable for middle and high school students. Blueprint Engineering builds confidence with foundational concepts one at a time, attracting a wider range of students and retaining them in a future in engineering and beyond. In this video, you'll see what's inside the kit, explore how students learn through quick prototypes in a single class period, and learn why Blueprint is the ideal tool to grow your engineering programs. Each kit comes with 2 bins. One is packed with durable, easy-to-use mechanical parts, like trusses, connectors, gears, and pulleys. Students use these to quickly build large, simple, and compound machines. The other is filled with electrical components, called bits, that students use to power their builds. No programming needed. Simply press the button on the motor to toggle between modes. The first mode is velocity mode, which makes it spin continuously in either direction. The other is position mode, which acts like a servo moving to specific angles. Bits like the distance sensor and threshold enable students to make their builds, like this car, respond to its surroundings, all without a single line of code. Blueprint Engineering and its free and growing lesson library provides students with the opportunity to tackle complex engineering concepts incrementally. Lessons guide students to build prototypes with step-by-step instructions, then prompt them to explore and iterate through the engineering design process. Middle school students that are new to engineering can build this basic fan using build instructions. Then manipulate the gearing to explore mechanical advantage and calculate gear ratios. High school students can take these concepts further, adding in electrical bits to explore control systems. Builds, like this conveyor belt, ask students to apply these concepts to real-world industries like manufacturing and agriculture. If you want to go even further, students working towards CAD certifications can develop assembly and modeling skills. Working alongside tangible models makes CAD a hands-on experience. We believe classrooms need an engineering tool that works for students and teachers. Many other classroom engineering tools overwhelm and intimidate students with overly complicated systems that try to teach programming, mechanical, and electrical engineering concepts all at once. Blueprint invites all students into the world of engineering and gives them the tools to foster creativity and find success. Along the way, they'll develop problem-solving, critical thinking, systems thinking, and tech fluency, skills that matter in any career. You can explore all of our Blueprint engineering lessons and resources on Sphero Central to learn more. We can't wait to see what you create!